The Grit-Gitter is your smart choice for easily cleaning of your pool, spa, or hot tub. Just squeeze the Grit-Gitter and the power from your hand is used to vacuum in all types of dirt and debris, keeping your spa and hot tub clean simply and easily. There's nothing to assemble, nothing to hook up, or anything to plug in. You just grab it and go. It's a fun, easy way to get your spa or hot tub perfectly clean. The Grit-Gitter is safe to use when you're in your spa, giving you the ability to spot clean while bathing. Now you can see the dirt and debris from within your spa. Cleaning is just that much easier. It cleans sand, silt, and small debris quickly. As well as large debris like bugs and leaves, making your spa and hot tub more enjoyable for you and your family. While you squeeze the Grit-Gitter, the water is sucked into the cleaner through a screen and check valve that traps the debris as the clean water flows back out. Without moving parts to wear down, the Grit-Gitter is designed to last for years. The Grit-Gitter comes in two sizes, the 9-inch handheld version and the 30-inch Grit-Gitter stretch. So you can clean without getting into the water. You can convert the Grit-Gitter stretch into the 9-inch version by removing the center tube, giving you two vacuums in one. Finally, a simple and easy way to keep your spa and hot tub clean for years to come. The Grit-Gitter is your smart solution for a perfectly clean pool, hot tub, or spa.